Hey JAFRA fam! Get your glow on from head to toe with this bath and beauty necessity, the 9-in-1 skincare system. Waterproof and travel ready, this must-have does it all. The set includes a full range of attachments that lets you cleanse your face and body and exfoliate for soft, radiant skin. Let's take a look. Inside the box, we have a portable case with a cleansing tool and 9 attachments, along with some very detailed instructions. The tool uses 4 AA batteries, which are not included. To insert the batteries, hold the tool vertically, pull off the battery cap, and insert the batteries as shown on the tool. Next, attach the head or brush you want to use. I'm going to use a makeup remover head. Simply remove it from the tray and snap it onto the tool. It's that easy. This is one of my favorite attachments to use. It's a great way to end the day and begin your skincare ritual. Apply a small amount of cleanser or makeup remover to the makeup remover head, then turn on the tool and gently massage your face to lift away those surface impurities. Next we have the gentle cleansing brush. You'll want to use this for day-to-day facial cleansing and light exfoliation, or if you have sensitive skin. The long, soft bristles deliver gentle but effective daily cleansing. 1 to 3 times a week, you can switch to the exfoliating cleansing brush for a deeper clean. I like to use it with JAFRA's microdermabrasion cream, but you can use it with your favorite exfoliator for an intense polishing treatment. This next tool, the lifting massage head, is great for addressing aging concerns. Apply your favorite JAFRA Royal Serum, then gently massage your facial muscles for instant invigoration and a youthful glow. Moving on to the body attachments, we have the body cleansing brush, perfect for use with your favorite JAFRA spa products or royal toiletries. Use it to cleanse, exfoliate, and smooth your entire body. For really dry and rough areas for the body, like your elbows, you can use the coarse buffing head, which will give you a deeper exfoliation. These next tools can help you get a perfect pedicure at home, especially when you pair them with JAFRA Spa Foot Care. Here, I have the pumice head. This tool is great for smoothing and exfoliating your feet and other rough areas. Maybe you have calluses and need something more intense. Gently shave away dry, dead skin with the callus remover head. And lastly, get silky soles and smooth nails with the smooth buffing head. After exfoliating, apply lotion or oil and use this attachment to gently massage your feet or buff your nails. After using each attachment, make sure to wash it thoroughly with warm water and mild soap. Then set it to a side to dry. As you can see, there are so many ways to use this tool. Use it with all your favorite JAFRA products, from luxurious JAFRA Royal to pampering Royal Almond, for head-to-toe renewal. When it's time to travel, pop the skincare system in your bag so you can stay feeling flawless on the go. Thanks for watching!